Introduction to the cell. The cell is the smallest part of all living things. Plants, animals, and humans are made of cells. Cells are like tiny rooms with special jobs. Every cell works 24/7 to keep you alive. Let's look inside this amazing small world. The cell theory. All living organisms are made of one or more cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. New cells come from old cells by dividing. Cells carry the information of life. Without cells, there is no life. Prokaryotic cells. These are very simple and small cells. They do not have a nucleus, control center. Bacteria are the best examples of this type. They are fast and they can live everywhere. Think of them as a studio apartment. Eukaryotic cells. These cells are more complex and larger. They have a nucleus and many small parts. Animals, plants, and humans have these cells. Every part has a special job to do. Think of them as a big villa with many rooms. The cell membrane. The cell membrane is like a thin skin. It protects the cell from the outside. It lets good things in and keeps bad things out. It is flexible and very important for the cell. It is the security guard of the cell. The cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like liquid inside the cell. It fills the space between the membrane and nucleus. It contains water and many important things. The organelles stay inside this liquid. It is like the pool of the cell. The nucleus. The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It tells the cell what to do and when to grow. It holds the DNA, the secret plans. It is the most important part of the cell. It is the manager or CEO of the factory. The mitochondria. This organelle is the powerhouse of the cell. It makes energy from the food you eat. It uses oxygen to create power, ATP. Muscle cells have many mitochondria. It is the battery that keeps the cell running. The ribosome. Ribosomes are very small but very busy. They make proteins for the cell. Proteins are the building blocks of your body. Every cell has many tiny ribosomes. They are the small workers of the factory. Endoplasmic reticulum. The ER is a system of tunnels inside the cell. It moves things from one place to another. It is like a highway or a post office. It helps the cell transport its products. It connects different parts of the cell. The Golgi apparatus. The Golgi is the shipping center of the cell. It takes materials and puts them in packages. Then it sends them to where they are needed. It is like the Amazon or UPS of the cell. It is very good at organizing things. The lysosome. The lysosome is the cleaner of the cell. It breaks down waste and old parts. It keeps the cell clean and healthy. It has strong chemicals to digest things. It is the recycling bin of the cell. The vacuole. Vacuoles are like small bags for storage. They store water, food, and sometimes waste. Plant cells have one very big vacuole. Animal cells have many small vacuoles. It is like the closet or pantry of the cell. The chloroplast. These are found only in plant cells. They are green and they use sunlight. They make food for the plant, photosynthesis. They give us oxygen to breathe. They are the solar panels of nature. The centrosome. This part helps the cell to divide, reproduce. It is mainly found in animal cells. It makes sure the new cells are correct. It is an important assistant for division. Think of it as the copy machine helper. Quiz of the day. Which part is the brain of the cell? A. Ribosome. B. Nucleus. C. Vacuole. D. Mitochondria. Thanks for watching this lesson. Now you know the secrets of the cell. Subscribe for more easy lessons. Next lesson, Lesson 3, DNA and Genetics. See you next time.